All right. So we got to get the valve springs out. But you need a valve spring compressor to do that. It's about a $50 tool, US. Canadian Tire does sell one, but it's meant for a different type of spring, the ones that are actually accessible. And if you can see, these are actually recessed. So it's basically is what what it is you have the spring which holds the valve stem in place, and is what's holding that in place is these two little pins. They don't look like really anything. They're just two little pins on each side of the valve stem that clamp it together and kind of hold it in place. So is what you need to do is compress the spring to release those two little pins. So is what I've kind of MacGyvered here. Just a 19mm socket that fits over my springs. I've taken just a regular magnet that I had, fit it inside there. Just take some vice grips, clamp it on there, and now the goal is just to push down enough to release those little cotter pins. So let's see. Alright, so after all that, we got one spring out, or one pin. You can see it in there. You don't want to lose these, by the way, and if you don't have anything covering it, these will go shooting out. So I'll just use some pliers, take it out of here. I guess this is the hardest part, I guess. Here we go. So just that little pin there. I'm going to focus on it. So make sure we keep track of everything. Put that one in there. Then we go back for round. All right. So they got the other one out. Just had to move it a bit. So out comes the valve and the springs. So it looks like the exhaust side only has one spring. Where am I? There we are.